you want to see that small tilapia fish. Yeah.
There you have fish.
Yeah, it's small.
Okay. Ah, you can see
You
them.
see?
Yeah, yeah.
Many. Baby. Tilapia.
Oh, they are coming all here.
Yeah.
They want food.
Yes.
So when you want to eat fish, you come here, do this,
Yes.
and you eat them.
Yeah. It's a fry.
Nice. This is your supermarket. Your free supermarket.
Yeah, no, it's a fake first because it's the owner.
If you want pork,
Right. I like
this is
chan.
the pork part. Mom, 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 mom. Hello. Okay, okay, okay.
It's a pregnant.
It's pregnant.
Yes.
This way. It's private property.
Yeah.
Don't want any trouble.
Maybe 2 minutes more.
Okay, we are not in a hurry. We are enjoying a lot. Would like to be longer.
Easy for work because every day follow. Every day sometimes you run to follow the cart.
You are accustomed to see that. Yeah, you can imagine.
Hello, Teng. Hello.
So,
Hello, sir.
Hello.
now we are in the avenue. The tourist avenue. So,
The train from the is coming.
yeah, you can see them. It's a rich one. They can pay the buffalo taxi.
Yeah.
After you. Hello, buffalo. Okay. Hi. Okay.
Hello.
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 Hello. How are you?
Fine.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi.